Dang. What do I do with all these grease on my fingers? My fingers are just absolutely, well, my feathers. My feathers are absolutely covered in pizza grease. Did somebody say greasy fingers? I sure didn't. I said greasy feathers. Oh, that's totally radical. Who are you? I'm Greasy Fingers. Why do they call you that? Oh! Oh, that's why. Yeah, and I love having my greasy fingers. Having greasy fingers is actually a whole lot of fun, my bud. You're getting grease all over me. Yeah, it's totally radical. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about this. You're not supposed to feel anything. Just enjoy my grease. I'm Greasy Fingers. Do you like my greasy fingers? I don't know. I don't want to touch it. Why are your hands greasy? That's besides the question. What have you been touching? No one knows. You're a monkey! Are you the only monkey here? Totally radical. Hey, I'm Elder Mandrill. Wait, you said you were the only monkey here. Whoopsie. There's two monkeys here. I'm Elder Mandrill. I can outlive all of you. Yeah. Ah! I have a cramp. What? Huh? He says it. He says my hands have pizza grease, but we know that's not the case. Could you guys get out of my house, maybe? For what? Him having greasy fingers? Yeah, I don't like greasy fingers. They're gross. No, they're not. Yeah, they are. No, they're not. They very are. My greasy fingers are so interesting. Look, I could just look at these for years. Look at that. Listen to that sound. Awesome. Totally radical. Whatever you guys do, just get out of my house. Why would we do that when we met a nice friend? Because you guys are weird. We're not weird. We're just greasy. I'm starting to feel cornered. Why? Why would you have to worry about that? We're totally okay. Could you guys stop approaching me? So I believe we're here to talk about grease. I mentioned how my feathers have grease on them. Well, we'll tell you why you don't need to worry about grease. Why? First of all, you can grip onto challenging surfaces. Like this door right here. See, I can climb up with my sticky grease fingers. He's right. He's not wrong at all. Yeah. Cowabunga, dude! I'm radical! Guys, leave me alone! No, why would we want to do that? Yeah! Could you stop saying, why would I want to do that? Get out of my house! No, why? Get your greasy fingers out of my house. But you don't know how fun greasy fingers can be. Get your hands off me. They feel weird. That's because they're greasy, fellow! I don't know what you guys are doing, but I want you to get out of my house, please. Why would we want to get out of your house, buddy? What do you mean, buddy? I don't even know who you are. I told you my name. My name is Elder Mandrill. And I am Greasy Fingers. Yeah. Leave me alone, please. Why? Because you guys are freaks. No, we're not. Greasy Fingers can help you do the dishes. How? that's besides the point. La la la, greasy fingers, greasy fingers. Look. Look at my face. Hey. What's this box right here? I don't know, it's just always there. Hey. Do you want to go get some grease? Alright, look at my long radical arms. I'm radical, totally radical. Radical! Ow, that hurt my ears.
Why? Why would it hurt your ears? You're overreacting.
I'm not, I hate you guys.
That wasn't very nice. Grease!
Let's get greasing! You can get grease from the dirty dishes. Oh man, not a song. You can get grease from the dirty dishes. You're terrible at making music. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Grease. I bet there's a lot of grease in here. Oh, it's greasy. Let's get greasing. Grease is fun. Grease is cool. Leave me alone. Greasy fingers. Grease, 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 grease. Greasy fingers. Grease, 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 good, good, grease, 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 grease. Could you get out of my house, maybe? That wouldn't be very greasy of me, would it? I don't know what defines greasy. Greasy stuff. Ah, how'd you get here?
I don't know. Life is full of mysteries. And that would be considered one of them. So, I think you've heard enough about me. I'm Elder Mandrill.
I am Greasy Fingers. We are the Grease Buds. You guys just look like a bunch of monkeys to me.
That was rude. We're not just monkeys. We're cool.
But you're not cool. What do you mean? Just because you don't have greasy fingers? No, the whole reason you guys came is because my feathers were greasy. They're called fingers, Bud. Bud, we're not friends. Yeah, we are. I don't even know you. Grease. Yeah. E. Uh-huh. Fin. Yep. Gers.
Well, that's awful.